If you want your hair to go in 2025, you want your hair to be long, thick, you want to reduce shedding, especially when you have your protective styles on, mini braids or mini twists, then you want to continue watching this video. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you a simple hair mask that I usually do when I have my mini braids on, because on this channel, I do not gatekeep. So the first thing I do, which you need to do, is to grab a very clean bowl. Yes, and then I went in with half cup of water. I also used olive oil to do this hair mask because my hair loves olive oil, so I just prefer using it for most of my DIYs. Before I used this oil, just like you saw in the clip before this one, I actually used the double boiling method so I can infuse the oil very well and just ensure it doesn't lose all these nutrients. After I added my olive oil, I started to stir. Now you'd want to stir this very well because it may be thick and then to have some lumps inside. But the more you stir it, the more the lumps will dissolve. However, I observed that I needed more water to make it a little bit lighter, not too thick, for something that will go around on my hair. And then I started stirring, and this is the consistency I have. Guys, you would want to try this hair mask. This hair mask is a lifesaver. This hair mask will do so much good to your hair. The benefits of this hair mask is something that I cannot even start mentioning everything on this video. In this video rather, sorry, because I do not want this video to be too long. But we know that moringa helps in the overall health of our hair. If you have any protective style on, especially mini braids, mini twists, or even your cornrows, you would want to go in with this hair mask at least twice a week. For me, I usually take my protective style in for 1 month, and then 2 weeks interval in between the 1 month. I just like maintaining my hair, and one of the ways I maintain my protective style is by going in with this kind of hair mask. I have other hair masks I love, but this is one of my best. This is because it helps to reduce shedding when I'm taking down my hair. We know that the reason why we are going in with protective style is because we want to see that obvious length, we want to see that retention. And this has really helped my hair to retain length. Now, as you can see in this video, I'm not applying this hair mask on my scalp. I'm not doing that. What I'm doing is that I am applying it on the strands of my mini braids and also on the tip of my hair, because these are usually the problem areas. However, I'm still going to oil my hair after washing out this mask. I'm still going to basically moisturize my hair. I'm still going to put oil on my scalp, so I really do not need that now. My problem areas are the places I am applying this mask, which is my hair strands and then the tip of my hair. That's the ends of my hair. We know that the ends of our hair is the oldest part of the hair, and if we are not careful, it can be very, very fragile and break. When it's breaking consistently more than how the hair is growing, or is breaking the same consistency how your hair is growing, you are not going to see that obvious length retention. So this is what I do. And then, like I always say in this channel, I'm a preacher of whatever you apply on your hair, make sure you apply on your edges. So I'm just going to go in with this shower cap just to allow this to sit. I stayed in the shower cap for about an hour before I went ahead to wash my hair. Is this hair mask something you will try, or you have tried something similar? Thank you for watching, and bye.